Hello friends, I am back. So today we will be discussing about some regular topics that we use in our day-to-day life. For example, today I went for a grocery shopping. So what is grocery shopping basically? Grocery shopping includes everything in your household. So everything from grains to toiletries to kitchenware to clothing to cosmetics to your furniture related things, your items which you use on daily basis, some hardware related stuff, everything comes under grocery shopping. So what I did was I got ready, then I took out my car. I told my dad to come with me, so we both went to shopping. So took a cart. So the trolley that we use is usually called as a cart. So because if you must have observed that whenever you go to some online shopping portals, when you add any item, they call it as a cart. So the trolley that we use in a shopping mall is nothing but a cart. So we took a cart, we did the security check, we put our bags in an envelope, they enclosed it with a tag so that no one can steal anything. So we went inside. First there was a section of food material, so there were junk food first of all. So we took some chips, some chicky, some groundnut, peanuts. Groundnut is also called as peanut. So we took some chips. Then we went on to the other section. There we took tea, coffee, sugar, then grains, whole wheat grains, cereals, and so red chili powder, turmeric powder, then our day-to-day stuff like poha, which is also called as flat rice. So rice is different and poha is called as flat rice. So we took flat rice, then we took some rava, then we took vermicelli, which is our sevaiya. So we took that, then we took pouches of oil. We took some spices and cardamom. Then cardamom is elaichi. Then we took ajwain, we took jeera, and we took some other simple stuff like some dosa tawa or hot plate we call it. We took a kadhai, and then we went and stood up in a queue. After stooding up in a queue, we encashed everything and collected all the items in the cart again, went to our car and got back to home. So on our way back home, we were craving for some ice cream, so we had a softy ice cream. And then we had our lunch. After having our lunch, my father was taking a nap, and I'm here to make a video and tell you about few things which we can use in our day-to-day life. So for example, if you get up in the morning, what you do first? You brush. So if you want to tell anyone what you did in a day, so you can start with I got up, I had my tea. Before that I did my brush. After doing my brush, I had a tea or a coffee or warm milk or warm water with honey and lemon. After that I went for a walk. I had a walk for 1 hour. After that I came back, I prepared breakfast. So for breakfast today we had sabudana khichdi. And after that, I'm a big chai lover, I'm a tea lover. So we had our tea I think we almost have 2 to 3 times daily. Our tea culture is such that whenever someone says that let's have tea, and here we are, there is no limit for tea for us to have in a day. So it can just go on and on. Even though we have heat problem, but still we will have tea. So that is one of the most important things we need to have. So to go on, then I studied for my next upcoming interviews. So I'm planning to give some interviews. So I studied for that. I had my material ready. So I went on for some websites. I scrolled and researched on few topics that I wanted to do for my next interviews. And after that I did some online window shopping. So what is window shopping? As the name suggests, window shopping is nothing but just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and looking out for items which you just intend to buy but never buy. So as you can remember, your shopping carts must be full. So these are nothing but window shopping. So window shopping is nothing but you just scroll and never buy those things. So today I would like to give you a small exercise. Let's do one small exercise together and do one thing. Make a list of all the grocery shopping list, that if you go to a shopping mall to buy groceries, so what all will you buy? So try to make a list of all the items that you bought or you are planning to buy. Make a list of it and give me in the comments below. I need to see whether your sentences are correct. Form simple sentences like I want to buy milk, I want to buy daily products like bread, butter, eggs. Then I want to buy grains. So what all grains are there? So you should know all the names of the grains. What is tur dal called in English? What is moong dal called in English? We will come to that slowly, but let's start with all these basic simple items that we use on a day-to-day basis. So to start with a daily routine, try to form sentences as what you did since morning. So since morning I woke up, I had my tea, I had my breakfast, I had a bath, then I went out with my father, then I did some shopping, grocery shoppings, and then I came back, I prepared my lunch, I had my lunch. Now I'll be studying a little bit, and after that I might go out for a coffee with my friends and meet some of my relatives, and I might have a good evening walk. After that I'll just prepare my dinner and have a good meal with my father. So try to form these sentences, try to think in English. When you start thinking in English, you will understand and realize that once you can think it in English, you can speak it in English. But don't make this mistake of thinking in your local language and then converting that into English, because that becomes clumsy and very unprofessional. So there are few people who exactly converts their local language to English. No, English has a specific tone, specific modularity, specific way of speaking. If I say I woke up, some people may say I get up. No, there is a way to talk, there is a way to express yourself, there is a way to communicate. The more polite you are, the more appealing you will be. More people will understand you better. So be humble while talking. It's okay not to know many things. It's okay if you make mistakes. It will happen in the beginning that you will make mistakes and people might laugh at you. Let them be. I mean, they are not some godfathers or something. They must have learned someday, right? They must have learned, and now they are very good in the language. but does not mean you will not be. So you can just go on. You can start with simple sentences. Make it a habit of using 5 sentences in English on a daily basis. Then make it 10, make it 20, make it 30. So homework for today is form 5 sentences or 10 sentences and write in the comments below that what you did in your whole day. So I'm eagerly waiting for you. Let's do it. Bye bye.